So we thought we'd do something a little different today and just take some clips of our day. John's behind the camera. It's a Saturday weekend vlog.
Has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
In 0.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
I'm switching into more healthy eating. So what's on the meal plan this week, John? I see you got a pizza coupon here.
Oh,
We went out and got pizza last night.
mm-hmm.
That was on our meal plan, and we ate a lot. And then there was somebody bought us some drinks at the restaurant because we ran into some people that we know. Well, you bought this table around drinks, and then they reciprocated.
Yeah.
So a lot of carbs, didn't need them, and we're both kind of feeling it, all the pizza. Yeah, so we both worked out.
Let's lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and
That was, you got a good workout, John?
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't get him on camera, and then he took pictures of me. But he's been spending the morning in his ham shack.
Rotor, HF beam rotor, so I've got to figure out what's going on with that. I was troubleshooting it on the, according to the manual, it looks like I have a wire that's either busted, broke, or came loose or something, but
Thought I'd jump in and say hi.
Well, good morning, and how are you doing this fine day?
I'm doing good, doing well. I hope everyone else is. I thought I'd get outside and enjoy some of the nice weather and spend some time with the old man here because he's got 2 days off, and I'm finding out the only way I can see him is if I come into his ham shack.
start living now.
Where are you? Are you yelling at me? You are? Oh, you're yelling at me. You're so funny. I'm the one that's going to give you food. Came home and we watched, what did we watch last night? Oh, Ghost Town. Ghost Town. I forget that actor's name, but it's a really good, I mean, I'm kind of in that mood right now to watch stuff like that. So kind of a comedy, but it's good. And we did that, and what else?
I think we finished what was it, ranch, what was it?
Oh, we've been watching Skinwalker Ranch.
Skinwalker Ranch, yeah.
Yeah, that is, my sister got me into that, so we were watching that. It's different, not for everyone, but you know, we were watching it for the technology. John's electrical engineer, and somebody asked us to watch a little bit to see if we kind of agreed with the technology side of what they were doing. So, and John, you said, yeah, the technical side worked out. Like you said, that made sense.
Yeah, most of those.
Most of it.
Yeah, but some of the decisions they made on some of the stuff was.
Yeah, some of the decisions
a little hokey.
Were like, really? Like, you've got a helicopter. Anyway, like I said, that show is not for everyone, but if you're kind of into mysteries and kind of like paranormal kind of stuff and all that kind of weird stuff, you might like it. We did. We'll be watching the next season because now we're like, it's kind of funny though. You're like, no, why are you doing that? Why are you making that decision? This doesn't make any sense. But of course, they're turning it into a story to make it in.
Yep.
So I get it. It's what you got to do to be on TV, I guess. And Sammy the squirrel, I got Sammy fed, but honestly, I don't think Sammy's around anymore. If you guys have been on my blog a while, you know I feed my squirrel, and I've fed Sammy for years, and Sammy used to eat out of my hand. And now we've got some of these younger squirrels who have taken over, and they yell at me. Sammy never yelled at me. Like, Sammy always would just come right up and stand right by the bowl And I think Sammy's moved on to that great squirrel heaven. So anyway, and I got a really great workout. I did an hour on the treadmill, which I usually don't do, but I was listening to music and I really just needed to work out a sweat. So I feel like the cardio and the sweat helps me to deal with hormones, honest to goodness. It keeps me sane. And I've reached out to my trainer who's going to now hook me up with a new set of workouts and sort of hold me accountable for the month of November. I need some extra accountability. And yeah, so Nikki, my trainer, is going to help me stay accountable. So I'll be logging in with her on an app for the whole month of November to give me a boost, and it's already helping me because now I'm kind of getting back to my workouts and healthier eating. So, and today I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking, but it's going to be on a different video. I am participating in a huge cooking challenge, and I have a counter full of groceries. So you guys stay tuned for that, and that's kind of like a peek of what's going on in the coming week. So it's going to be it today.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And John, thanks for holding the camera. He didn't want to be on the camera today, but he said he would hold the camera.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
All right. Well, we're going to get on with our day. I hope you guys are having a great day. Take good care, and I'll see you on the next one.
Bye-bye.